Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to recover your Roblox account without email or phone. So I will just show you quick guide and recovery. I will be just open my Roblox account. So I will be on officially logged in, and once I will just logged out, and I will just show you how to recover it without it. So I will just tap on it, skip logout anyway. So basically I will be just tap on the simply sign in, and what gonna do, I will be just tap on it simply forgot password or username, and you will have to wait for the moment, and there is no option to recover your account without email or phone number. So here is a quick guide. You make sure you will have attached your email or phone number. So by a email or phone number, it will be just send you a 6-digit code, and you will be just enter it, and you will just recover your username or your password. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.